So how you can make your first $100 per day with YouTube affiliate marketing using ClickBank. So in this example, I'm going to show you exactly step by step what you can do if you want to use YouTube without showing your face, because you have many ways, right? You can show your face like me right now, or the other thing you can do also is you can use faceless channels. What do I mean by that? Let me show you an example. Here you can see I'm on ClickBank. So on ClickBank, you have many different offers you can promote. You can choose many different products, right? You can promote health offers, make money online, dating, relationship, hobby niches, right? Many different niches. In this case, let me give you an example of keto diet or weight loss, or even brain health, diabetes, or many different sub niches. Pick one evergreen niche. Evergreen niche is the niche where people are already making money and handing money hand over fist every single day. Those would be dating, make money online, relationships, right? Weight loss, hobby niches. So like I said, many different niches. So let me give you one example. Here you can see we have Brainy Dose, right? So Brainy Dose is one of those faceless channels which is very, very successful. Why? Because as you can see, they don't show any face, right? There is no one showing their own face. You can see they have really nice thumbnails, nice design, catchy, it get eyeballs, get attention, right? And you can see you have quite a lot of views for, let's say, almost 2 million subscribers, right? You can see over here 10,000 views, 46,000 views, and it's not all about the views. It's just about how many of those people subscribe to the email list or buy the products. So one of the ways that you can utilize that is basically create your YouTube channel, and you don't have to show your face. What you can do basically is upload those faceless channels. Now maybe you're not great graphic designer, maybe you don't know how to design those videos, right? How to create those videos. So what you can do basically is you go on Fiverr and hire the person to do that for you. Yes, it can be costly, but if you want to be making, let's say, $5,000 or $10,000 per month from this kind of YouTube faceless channels, you have to invest some money in this, right? And you need to have someone to guide you through step by step to show the ropes how it's done correctly, right? There are many ways you can do that with YouTube, right? You can also run YouTube ads, paid advertising, right? And promote ClickBank offers as well, as someone who wants to make $100 or $300 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing, right? Or working from home to make money online, right? So if you're watching this video and you do want to know like exactly how to put these kind of channels together, then let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts or email where you can reach out to me and ask me any questions in regards to how to make money with YouTube ads or how to make money on YouTube, right? Using also Google ads, it doesn't matter, right? It's all about having one niche, one high quality offer with a great upsell take rate, right? So that you can make money on not only on the front end when someone buy the products, but also on the back end, even high ticket commissions, right? So it does matter how you position yourself and how you position your YouTube channel. If you want to use something like that, like for example, faceless YouTube channel to make money, as you can see, you have a great hook in the headline, right over here. And then, of course, under this video, you usually have affiliate links. So this is how it works, right? This is how you can make money. If you're not comfortable showing your face like me right now, in this case, on camera, then you can do and create faceless channels, right? So there are many different ways you can make money with affiliate marketing. So after watching this video, please click the links below, reach out to me one-on-one, and let's get something started. And please, it will help me a lot if you click the like button below this video, and please leave before you leave the video, please click on subscribe now, so it can help me out, so we can get more helpful tips to the people like you. Again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.